how does all that work? What is iodine? It's a trace mineral. It's an essential trace mineral. There's a receptor site in every cell of the body for iodine. It plays an essential role. If you don't have enough iodine, which assists cell health, reproductive health, cognitive, mental performance, thyroid function, connective tissue. If you don't have enough iodine, here are some of the issues that are reported. Weight gain, poor weight management, swelling of the throat, tiredness, exhaustion, fatigue, low energy, hair loss, dry skin, issues with menstruation, discomfort, lumps and hardened cysts in the breasts, infertility issues, cognitive impairment, brain fog, poor mood, constipation, cold extremities, and pain and discomfort in the muscles, joints, and connective tissue. Not good. Now, why are iodine levels so low when you test the soil, the food, and inside of humans? Well, there's a number of theories. One is that we've gotten we've migrated away from the sea, because iodine can be found in the sea, and we've gone more inland. There's a theory that a great flood wiped out the topsoil several thousand years ago and left behind sort of a nutrient-deprived soil that we get our foods now from. And there's another concept that basically modern humans are so full of modern artificial chemicals that these chemicals can affect the absorption of iodine, and also iodine helps to remove these chemicals from the body, and so therefore there's an increased need for it. So those are some of the theories. Because again, if God made us perfect and naturally, then why would we need to take an isolated mineral? So I don't know the exact answer to that question. I don't know what's the key to the mystery, but it does seem to me that based on all the information that I've seen, human beings are very low in iodine, and it doesn't surprise you because the food is low in iodine, the soil is low in iodine. Now there's a few exceptions, like the Japanese. The Japanese, who are one of the healthiest, longest living groups of people on the planet, consume around 15 milligrams on average of iodine per day. They eat a lot of seaweed, they eat a lot of seafood. And but most humankind is consuming a tiny fraction of that. Even people who are eating table salt, which is iodized, are not getting very much because there's very little iodine in table salt. It sublimates from the table salt when it's stored. It gets lost, and also it's in competition with the chloride that's found in salt, so it doesn't get absorbed very well.